The future of plastics meets the pulse of progress. Welcome to Hiplex 2026, South and Central India's premier plastics exhibition and India's third largest exhibition, which will be held from 7th to 10th August 2026 at the HITEX Exhibition Centre in Hyderabad. Organized by TAPMA, Telangana and Andhra Plastic Manufacturers Association, an association established in 1969 and representing thousands of industry stakeholders with nearly 90% of the sector driven by MSMEs. Hyplex serves as a catalyst for industrial growth and innovation. Supported by the Department of Chemicals and Petrochemicals, Government of India and Government of Telangana, and backed by our sponsors, Hyplex 2026 will drive the next phase of manufacturing excellence. As Telangana transforms its industrial and economic landscape through the 2,360 crore rupee Hyderabad Industrial Smart City and the broader future city vision, Hyderabad is rapidly emerging as a globally competitive hub for EVs, aerospace, pharmaceuticals, and advanced manufacturing. Meanwhile, Andhra Pradesh is strengthening its position with world-class industrial infrastructure and advanced manufacturing capabilities. Home to one of the first projects under the India Semiconductor Mission, 2,387 crore outsourced semiconductor assembly and test facility is being developed at Anandapuram, creating nearly 1,000 skilled technology jobs. Hyplex becomes the ideal platform to connect, collaborate, and capitalize on emerging opportunities, bringing together every segment of the plastic value chain under one roof. Hyplex 2026 will showcase the latest machinery, raw materials, automation, packaging solutions, recycling technologies, and sustainable innovation. Experience live machine demonstration, cutting-edge technology showcases, dedicated B2B meetings, and a special recycling pavilion focused on sustainability and circular economy. Following the record-breaking success of its previous edition, Hyplex returns bigger and stronger than ever, with over 550 exhibitors from India and abroad, and 26,000 square meters of exhibiting area, powering the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat and Vikasit Bharat. Hyplex 2026, where innovation, investment, and industry come together. Visit, connect, and transform. See you from 7th to 10th August 2026 at HITEX Hyderabad. Register now and give yourself a chance to win a two-wheeler.